Welcome to the heart of Fountain City, where this stunning, traditional two-story residence awaits. Situated on a large, level lot, this low-maintenance gym boasts vinyl siding and a June 2024 roof, ensuring years of worry-free living. The outdoor spaces are perfect for entertaining, with a concrete patio ideal for BBQs and a large storage shed for lawn equipment. Beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring flows throughout the interior, complemented by a newly remodeled kitchen featuring shaker-style cabinets and sleek stainless steel appliances. Two spacious bedrooms upstairs, each with ample closet space, including a primary bedroom with double closets and a walk-in closet in the second bedroom. The main bathroom boasts an extra-wide tub and a ceramic tile surround. With its like-new condition, this home is a rare find in a highly desirable neighborhood. Enjoy the peaceful setting.